Let's take a look at how markets fared today, kicking things off with the local markets, the JSE. We are seeing a mixed picture on that front after the JSE got a mixed handover from Asia. We're also seeing a lot of pressure coming into the resources 10 complex with a softer gold price as well as a softer oil price for a second session on the increasing expectation that OPEC members and their allies, known as OPEC Plus, will decide to increase production at a meeting later this week. So both those prices really factoring through or filtering through to the resources 10 complex. It's down 1.1%. The financial 15 also in the red, losing close to 0.25%. In the green, however, boosting the all share as a whole is the industrial 25 up 0.75%, and that pushing the all share just above the flat line. It's up 0.04%. Let's take a look at how US markets are faring. They're kicking the week off on a high after President Donald Trump said over the holiday weekend that he agreed to delay tariffs of 50% on the European Union. Traders on that end also eyeing Nvidia results and Fed minutes out tomorrow, as well as those PCE figures out on Friday. With that, we are seeing the Nasdaq making the most gains, up over 2%, followed by the S&P 500 up 1.6%. The Dow in the meantime gaining 1.3%. Across the Atlantic now, gains on that front as well. We are seeing lingering optimism around President Trump's EU tariff backflip, also boosting sentiment. The German DAX making the most gains on that front. We also had German consumer sentiment surprising to the upside, and that boosting sentiment on that front is up 1%, followed by gains in the FTSE 100 up 0.8%. The CAC 40 also in the green, up 0.21%. Let's take a look at what's playing out on the currency scene, kicking things off with the rand. We are seeing the rand falling from a 5 months high at around that 17.90 level against the dollar. Still, it remains resilient through it remains resilient under that 18 rand mark to the dollar. Coming in weaker this evening at 17.91. We are seeing strength though against other currency pairs. The pound to the rand at 24.21. The euro to the rand at 20.31. Let's take a look at your other currency pairs. The euro to the dollar at 1.13, the pound to the dollar at 1.35, the dollar to the yen trading weaker at just above 144.